Hi everybody, my name's Mike, and I'm a product designer here at CrystalCommerce. Joining me today is also Matthew, our lead of UX design, and we're here to get you updated. What are we doing? How are we doing it? Why are we doing it? In this video, we're going to share an overview and explanation of our roadmap and some new project management processes we're developing to increase efficiency and consistency. So to be clear, we're just covering our overall roadmap for features and improvements. Let's talk project management and processes. As of right now, we're experimenting with some new workflows that affect how we handle legacy admin tickets, as well as UX design for the upcoming platform and features. The process is an improvement on how tickets and new UX features are taken in, reviewed, prioritized, worked on, tested, and ultimately deployed. This should increase efficiency and communication across the board for everybody. We're also using Agile workflows to sequentially release strategic updates and features as we build a new and improved platform. What is Agile? Well, I'm glad you asked. For those of us that don't know, this question basically is for you, right? Or this answer. Basically, developing with Agile is developing in phases and versions. So a release is a version. Let's say we're deploying a new system or feature. The first release is the first version, which only includes the most important features. We call this the MVP, or minimum viable product. The next phase would contain supporting features and updates, some of them based on beta tester feedback, aka what you got to say. And then the next release contains additional supporting features and updates, and so on. We're using this approach for our new system and all upcoming features. Specifically for the new admin, the MVP will only include core features such as, let's say, creating a collections and a wish list. Collection may allow items to be listed for purchase. If any of those items are on your buy list, our system could generate a notification in your admin to help you restock quickly. The wish list could allow us to promote your inventory to users directly. Subsequently, releases of the new admin will include enhancements, which will gradually build up to be a robust retail-friendly admin, which will blow our legacy system out of the water. Why are we doing it this way? Well, using Agile workflows allows us to design and code things rapidly and deploy changes to the system more frequently. Having users test and give feedback on the earlier releases allows us to ensure a better user experience and handle any bugs before we move forward, which will result in a more useful, stable, and powerful product for you. Over time, using this approach may also increase our ability to set realistic release dates and estimate them as well.
Hey, this is Matthew, the lead designer at CrystalCommerce. I'm going to give you an overview of our roadmap and also talk about how we'd like to involve you in the process. You've probably heard about the new system or marketplaces or a number of new features we're working on, which will be part of all of that. Since many of you aren't sure what all of this means, let me clarify the differences between the legacy system and the new system. The legacy system is our current platform, which includes the admin and the e-commerce websites that you use now. The new system will eventually include an all-new admin, website builder, new website themes, a marketplace, and many other features, and it will be built mostly with new technology and architecture. The new system's user experience and aesthetics will be a dramatic improvement over the legacy system, and the admin and most features will support mobile devices for those that do business on the go. Now I'm going to give you a quick overview of our roadmap. Let's start with the legacy system. I'd like to emphasize that we will continue doing updates on the legacy system until the new system is 100% ready for all of our existing members to migrate over. In general, the legacy system roadmap will include bug fixes, user experience improvements, and a few new features, including, but not limited to, version 1 of the pricing tool, improved reporting features, and improvements to shipping options. Now let me share a bit about the new system roadmap. It will focus primarily on core functionality in a light admin with sequential releases adding more features until it eventually becomes as robust as our legacy admin. From there, we'll continue regular bug fixes, enhancements, and new feature innovations. Throughout this roadmap, we may also be re-envisioning existing features. I'd like to talk about one of the tools that we have available which will allow you to become involved in the roadmap creation process. It's called the Ideas Portal. You may or may not be familiar with our public ideas portal. We're aware that it hasn't always been well organized or managed, but we intend to fix that. We've created separate idea portals which pertain to various aspects of our platform, so they'll be less cluttered and easier for everyone to work with. Our goal is to reestablish the Ideas Portal as a place where you feel comfortable giving feedback and new feature suggestions and communally voting on them to help with prioritization. One of our primary points of focus will be integrating these ideas into our new workflow by reviewing and sorting them into releases on the roadmap. The Ideas Portal is your chance to collaboratively help us build both the legacy and new system roadmaps. There are links in the video description that go to all of the public Ideas Portals, so be sure to check those out and bookmark them. And now I'll hand it back over to Mike.
All right, let's talk about what to expect in future updates. We plan to post update videos on a somewhat regular basis, so nothing's actually set in stone schedule-wise. Most likely the frequency will be determined by the level of engagement the videos get via comments and votes on YouTube and social media, and how often we're getting stuff released to you as well. In upcoming videos, you can expect to learn about updates to the legacy system, progress updates on the new system as a whole, as well as individual features. So basically stuff that you've seen in the video today, we're going to get into the nitty-gritty of that in upcoming videos. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and click that bell icon so you get notifications about the future videos with exciting updates. Also remember to check the Ideas Portal. We're going to go ahead and put a link to that into the description, and please give us feedback there as well. Thanks for tuning in today with us, and I hope you have an awesome day.